Hi everyone, this is your Tito Mark of Tech Pinas, and sa video na to, we're going to do a triple phone drop test. Featuring 3 of Honor's drop-resistant smartphones na talaga nga namang naging mga bestsellers. First, we have the Honor X9A from 2023, and then we have Honor X9B from 2024, and finally, we have the latest bestseller, the Honor X9C 5G from 2025. So, I just want to show you first na lahat sila ay working. Yan guys, all of them are working phones. This is Honor X9A. Yan, and it's working unit. Anyway, mamaya pakita ko naman din ulit sa inyo. This is Honor X9B. Honor X9B. The best-selling mid-range phone of 2024. And we have, ito yung bagong ano nila bagong most popular unit currently from Honor. This is the Honor X9C 5G. Yan. The Guinness World Record holder phone to, guys. Okay, so isa-isahin natin. Starting with Honor X9A. Siyempre, meron pa rin tayo nitong unit na to, di ba? So, simula tayo dito. Honor X9A. So, bandang dibdib to, guys. Pakita ko lang na working unit. Yan. Working unit to. Working unit, guys. Pagkita natin mabuti. Yan. Kita nyo? Yan. Working unit. Working unit. Okay. So, drop natin. Honor X9A from 2023. Drop test. And as you can see, it's still working. After 2 years, guys, gumagana pa rin and still drop resistant. Yeah. So, no cracks and even scratches, no scratches. So, Honor X9A, okay. So, sumunod na tayo. No? The next year, Honor released the follow-up. And ito yon, guys. This is the Honor X9B 5G. Ayan. The bagsakan phone, naalala nyo ba to? Bestseller from 2024. And check natin, mas mataas ng konti dito. Siguro, eye level. Yan, tama ba? Eye level tayo. And let's drop it. Let's check kung drop resistant pa rin ba siya. After all these months, 1, 2, 3. Solid yan Solid yung bagsak. And of course, guys, still working flawlessly. One more time. Honor X9B. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. And ano yan no case at the back. Sige. Yan. Show it to you. Okay. Working flawlessly. And we have, bubulsa ko lang yan. Binubulsa ko lang sila, guys. Yan lang sila sa bulsa ko. And we have the latest model. Honor X9C 5G. The Guinness World Record holder phone. And this one, guys, mas mataas na ang drop resistance niya. Up to 2 meters. So, lampas na to ng ulo ko, guys, because I'm about 5'8". So, I'm about 1.72. Tama ba? 1.72 meters high. So, this is, I guess, around less than 2 meters pa rin nga ito. But let's try it here. Okay? Let's drop the Honor X9C 5G. Magsusurvive ba? 1, 2, 3. Solid yun. Grabe yung bagsak, guys. Pero, it's still working perfectly. Di ba? Honor X9C 5G. Guinness World Record holder phone to, guys. And proudly, isa ako dun sa 264 people who simultaneously dropped this phone to set a new world record para sa simultaneous phone drop test of a smartphone model that's on sale in the market. Ayan, guys. Okay? So it's working. Isa pa guys. Okay, so isa pa, guys. Test ulit natin. 1, 2, 3. Honor X9C 5G. Grabe. Grabe yung tunog nun, eh. And of course, it's still working. Alright. So at this point, labas ko na ulit yung tatlo. I guess at this point, talaga nga namang na-prove na ng Honor that they truly make smartphones that are built tough, very durable, ultra tough smartphones. So ito yung 3 generations of that. The Honor X9A, X9B, and X9C. So there you go, guys. This is our epic triple smartphone drop test. 3 generations of ultra tough smartphones from Honor Philippines. Thumbs up.